Damn it! If fighting is sure to result in fighting, then you must fight like a girl. Dr. Seuss said that, and I'd say he knows a little more about writing than you do, pal, because he invented it. And then he perfected it so that no man could best him in the ring of best man. Then he used his money to buy 2 of every animal on Earth. And then he herded them onto a boat, and then he beat the crap out of the boat, and then he crapped in the boat, and then he beat every animal in the boat, and now on.
Get me up there!
And from that day forward, anytime a bunch of animals are together in one place, it's called a boat. Unless it's a fart.